Good morning, everyone. This is Prem's crypto market update for October 13th, 2018. Welcome, everyone. Korea's largest Bitcoin exchange, Bithump, sells a stake of which is worth $350 million. Bithump, currently the largest exchange in South Korea by trading volume, just confirmed that they sold 38% of their ownership to a blockchain consortium in Singapore for around $350 million. So that's big news, basically. Bithump just announced a couple days back, basically, about their indexes they have added on, and they are basically, just their holding company is basically now part of a Singaporean company. Let's see how this works out. The next news comes from Japan. Zaif is basically one of the exchanges which was hacked last month, and they lost around 70 million US dollars, and they are now transferring all their services to Fisco. So Safe has concluded as a business transfer agreement with the regulators in Japan that Fisco cryptocurrency exchange will take over Safe services and will take the responsibility as well to repay all the coins and crypto which was lost in the hack last month. This is, of course, big news that this is happening right now. All right, the next news comes about Coinbase. So Coinbase basically confirms that it's shutting down a crypto index fund, one of their products. A spokesman of Coinbase basically told CoinDesk that the Coinbase Index Fund, this was launched earlier this year, is formally closed by the end of the month, with customers directed to recently announced CoinsBill bundle products instead. So, after assessing a demand from retail, accredited, and institutional investor, Coinbase has decided to shut down Coinbase index funds. They will focus now only on diversified exposure to all investors through a Coinbase bundle. So that is news where it was basically a index fund where Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, and Litecoin were weighted in the market. But now they are just going a different route with different bundles, basically, that they're going to offer. This confirmation comes after a day after Coinbase has announced that they'll be adding 0x protocol token to their professional trading platform, Coinbase Pro. The exchange is only allowed to have deposits of the token until Friday morning and launched full trading in the next day. So this is something we have talked about, that 0x is going to be added on for the professional advisors, for the professional traders, and not for the retail traders. So let's see how that is going to be. All right, so the next news is about the troubled Bitfinex. Bitfinex suspends all fiat deposits. Bitfinex, it's basically kind of in a little bit of trouble, basically. I mean, last week I reported that Wells Fargo is having a lawsuit from Bitfinex because they were troubling them with their activities. Then they found in HSBC, the bank, to work. The Bitfinex headquarters is in Hong Kong, and they are registered as a BVI, basically, in the British Virgin Islands, and they are having basically troubles finding onshore a banker which can help them to do fiat to crypto exchanges, basically. So already Bitfinex was also about that they were having troubles with their liquidity, came into the market, especially because of the USD Tether, the stablecoin, which has been under the loop. but let's see how things are going to evolve. But definitely, Bitfinex is coming up with more and more troubles. All right, now let's look at the market cap. We can see that basically the market cap is still at 201 billion US dollars. Volumes are down because it's now 11 billion. So BTC dominance still at this 54% level, and Bitcoin has gone sideways, now doing 62.87 at the 6300 level. And if we look at the top 10, everything in the green, 1 or 2% up, with Ethereum just wanting to cross the $200 mark, but still at 199 at this point of time. The coins which have done very well in the last 24 hours are GGTEX Futures, which is up 41%, Augur up 10%, Steam up 8%, GX Chain up 8%, and Tron up 8%. All right, the coins which have not done that well are Loom Network, 11% down, Noah Coin, 7% down, Dropple, 6%, and Archain, 5%. All right, this was the news for today. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Look us up on bitcoinmagazine.nl, and we have nowadays a podcast. Please subscribe to that as well, and I hope to see you on the next one.